Install the DAVV application on your camera phone. Android phones, after searching DAVV from Google Play Store and installing the app. iOS phone, after searching DAVV from Apple App Store and installing the app. Let's connect the DAVV Smart Cradle with the camera phone. Firstly, please connect the adapter to the power port of the DAVV Smart Cradle. Run the DAVV app on your camera phone. If you select Do Not Look Again, at the bottom of the application loading screen, the loading screen will be skipped when you run the DAVV application. DAVV application initial screen. Confirm camera selection. Google or Facebook account are necessary for secure access when logging in. Select Login with Google ID. Please select a Google account which will be used on your viewer phone as well. Please allow audio recording, file access, and location information access for proper operation of DAVV app. Auto recording video and remote recording video detected by the camera will be saved to the cloud by selecting a Google Drive or Dropbox. Please select a convenient service. Please select Yes, I have for Cradle after logging in, selecting the location where saved the recording video. Select DAVV product. To enable DAVV application, you can scan QR code at the bottom of the DAVV cradle. It will be recognized by camera automatically. If the QR code is not recognized properly, please enter the serial number correctly and press OK to enable DAVV application. Firstly, place the camera phone on the top of the cradle and connect micro USB charging cable to not only the camera phone, but also the USB charging port on the top of the cradle to charge the camera phone.